Leoncito. ¿Qué haces? Oye, Leoncito. Leoncito. 언지, 언지.
Stories, okay?
I go to take air balloon
Air balloon.
and
How's the weather?
raining.
It started to
Raining,
Mhm.
and I don't take the air balloon. And I put my hat on my hair.
Very
Every
good.
morning,
Uh-huh.
I drink my coffee.
Yes.
And I go to work with my bag.
Uh-huh.
I work very hard.
Very nice, very nice.
And later, I go to
Go upstairs
upstairs for
to drink.
to drink my fresh orange.
Fresh oranges.
And later, I go to walking.
Okay, take a walk. Take a walk.
And
What happened? I step on the. Oh, but it was very funny. Good job, yay!
a lotion. Okay. The next card. Oh, what's happening here? Rainbows. Rainbow again. Okay, rainbow again. Okay. Apple. Ha ha ha. I have a broccoli. So I have a broccoli. I bought a broccoli at the supermarket. What about you? What do you have?
No.
Oh, onions. Okay. How to say? Zero. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Onions! Yeah, I'm so lucky. Thank you very much. Okay. I bought onions at the supermarket.
No, está.
What do you have?
Piña.
Okay, pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. What do you have? I have a pineapple. Pineapple. Very good, very good. Okay, so my turn. Whoa, I have 2 potatoes. I bought 2 potatoes at the supermarket. What about you? What are you going to buy? Ooh, blueberries. Oh,
Blue eyes.
okay. I'm going to close my eyes. Ready?
No. Yes.
Okay. I'm going to mix together. Woohoo! Okay. A lick. I bought a lick. Yes. Okay.
Yay!
Oh, what do you have? Corns. Sweet corns.
Sweet
Corn. How many?
1,
2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
You can say I have.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5.
Oh. So you can say I have 6.
Cambiado.
I have 6 items. I have 6 items. Okay.